Today is Sunday, and I'm going to be doing some videos of planes today up on that mountain over there. Because the winds in Las Vegas are a little bit weird these past few days, I'm going to go up and shoot some video of the planes landing, because the way they land today are a certain way, and they go straight over that mountain over there. So I'm gonna go check it out and see what happens. Packing up the gear right now and getting ready to go to the mountain. Walking down the mountain now. For now on, I hope I could actually make at least one vlog per week, but I know it won't be during the week because I'm so packed up on school. I have a lot of swimming I have to do too every day, in the morning and at night. So I will hope I get to make videos at least every weekend. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.